Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the retinal disease detection using machine learning. So first you have to open the terminal and then write python space main.py. It will open the home interface. So you can select the about us section where it will give the complete information about project, like which algorithm we are using and Tkinter used to develop the user interface. And let's select this image and click on predict using ResNet, or you can also click on predict using VGG19. Okay, now it will predict with the accuracy like it is normal, and show the percentage also. Let's close it. Browse any other image. Let's select this image. Okay, now it will show the contract. Okay, with the accuracy. It will predict with the VGG19. Let's click on exit button. It will close the software. This is the complete project. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.